Every great story begins with motion, and now, motion just got smarter. Meet the all-new DJI Osmo Mobile 8, the next evolution in smartphone stabilization. Engineered for creators who demand more, the Osmo Mobile 8 redefines precision with DJI's trusted 3-axis stabilization, now paired with 360-degree unlimited rotation. From cinematic pans to dynamic subject tracking, every shot flows like liquid. And with a stronger 4th-generation magnetic clamp, even the heaviest smartphones stay perfectly secure, ready to move when you are. Creativity knows no limits, and neither should your gear. With a built-in extension rod, the Osmo Mobile 8 lets you tilt, stretch, and glide to capture those impossible low angles and unique perspectives. Whether you're vlogging on the go or filming cinematic B-roll, it's a gimbal that adapts to every frame. Powered by ActiveTrack 7.0, DJI's smartest tracking yet, the Osmo Mobile 8 locks onto your subject with absolute precision. Even in crowded scenes, it anticipates motion and adjusts in real time, so you can stay focused on the story, not the setup. And with dual camera tracking, you can bring new perspectives to your videos, literally. For the first time, DJI integrates tracking, audio recording, and lighting into one powerful module. The built-in fill light offers adjustable brightness and color temperature, perfect for any environment, day or night. Your voice, your light, your focus, all seamlessly balanced. With up to 10 hours of battery life, the Osmo Mobile 8 keeps rolling long after inspiration strikes. And with reverse charging through USB-C, it even powers your phone, because creativity shouldn't stop when your battery does. The Osmo Mobile 8 is available now in China for 898 RMB, or about 125 USD, including the new magnetic phone clamp 4, multifunction tracking module, and charging cable. For creators seeking the full setup, the Vlog Kit offers even more versatility at 997 RMB. Smarter tracking, stronger design, infinite creativity. The Osmo Mobile 8, where precision meets imagination.